Hi, I'm Yashna Garg, founder of Yugap Wellness, where supplements are tastefully crafted for the 21st century adults. At Yugap, every journey begins with a commitment to excellence and innovation. Our journey begins with a careful selection of raw materials. Each ingredient is meticulously chosen for its purity and effectiveness, ensuring that we only use the highest components for our formulations. Using advanced technology and latest research, we test and validate each formulation to ensure that it meets our rigorous standards. Once the formulations are perfected, they move to the high-end production facilities, and here the cutting-edge machinery and precise engineering transform premium ingredients into finished products, maintaining consistency and quality throughout the entire process. After passing our stringent quality checks, the products are carefully packaged with attention to detail. We ensure that every package is securely prepared to deliver the best of era to you. From factory to doorstep, we ensure that each Yugap product arrives perfectly. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from those who have transformed their wellness journey with Yugap. Yugap, elevate your wellness journey with products designed for your inner health and outer glow. Yugap, embrace the best of you in every era.